Hi, welcome guys. In this video, we are discussing question number 1 to 6 of chemistry. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us anytime um, for PDFs. So contact number is 900 936 8238. You can message us, you can call us and anytime. So here the question number 1 to 6, there are total 6 questions from 1 to 3. These are all questions about 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and 5th is these are the 100 to 150 words. And question number 6 is about the project based questions, and you have to write only one answers of each questions and according to the word limits. If you want this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching.